Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. Today we will learn about some fruits name and their benefits. Let's go. Mango. This is mango. Mango is often called the king of fruits. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin A and C and enjoy fresh. It's our national fruit. Mango. Mango is our national fruit. Juicy fruit.
Dragon fruits. Dragon fruits packed with nutrients are low in calories and rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant. Dragon fruit origin in China.
Guava. This is guava. Guava is a nutrient-rich fruit packed with vitamin C, which boosts immunity and fiber and prevents constipation. Guava. Very healthy and tasty fruit. Guava.
Strawberry. Strawberries are delicious heart-shaped fruit. They are a great source of vitamin C, boost immune system, and act as an antioxidant. Strawberry very juicy and tasty food.
Pineapple. This is pineapple. Pineapple is a delicious tropical fruit. It's a good source of vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants, and manganese. Pineapple. Yummy, tasty, juicy fruit. Pineapple.
Tangerines. Tangerines are a sweet and tangy citrus fruit, rich in vitamin C and antioxidant. They can boost immunity and support brain health. Orange, very juicy and tasty fruit.
Papaya. This is papaya. Papaya is a nutrient-rich fruit. It's a good source of vitamin C and A, fiber and antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene. Papaya. This is color of orange and tasty fruit.
Orange. Oranges are a nutritional powerhouse packed with rich in vitamin C, boosting the immune system and providing healthy skin. Orange, very juicy and tasty food. Orange juice.
Fig. This is fig. Figs are also known as anjeer, are a delicious and nutritious fruit packed with heart health, blood sugar, bone health, skin health like vitamin C, E and A. Fig, healthy fruit.
Kiwi. Kiwi fruit is a nutrient-rich fruit that is packed with vitamin C to improve skin health, heart health, and weight management. Kiwi, very delicious food. Looking is very good.
Palm. This is palm. Palms are a nutritious stone fruit packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and a good source of fiber. Palm look very nice.
Honeydew. Honeydew melon is a hydrating and nutritious fruit packed with vitamin C, potassium, and promotes healthy skin, support bone health, and regulate blood pressure. Honeydew.
Nectarine. This is nectarine. Nectarines are smooth-skinned stone fruit packed with vitamin A, C, fiber, and various antioxidants. Improve digestion and heart health. Nectarine.
Quince. Quince is a low-calorie fruit packed with nutrients and antioxidants. It is a good source of vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and copper. Quince.
Rambutan. This is rambutan. Rambutan is a tropical fruit. It is a good source of vitamin C, boosts immune system, and aids in iron absorption. Rambutan.
Tomato. Tomatoes are flowering plant with a good source of vitamin C and the phytochemical. Lycopene, the fruits are commonly eaten raw in salad. It is worldwide food. Tomato.
Cherry. This is cherry. Cherries are a nutrient-rich fruit with various health benefits like low blood pressure, cholesterol, and the risk of heart disease. Cherry. This is a tiny red fruit. Very yummy tasty. Cherry.
Cherry is good for health.